Just 5 miles from the pulse of downtown Nashville, there is a home where time slows down, where magnolia trees stand like sentinels, and the air feels like something out of a summer novel. This isn't just Southern charm, this is a full embrace, a home that's waited patiently, becoming more beautiful with each passing year. This is where elegance feels familiar. This is 5028 Franklin Pike. Originally built in 1961 and completely reimagined by designer Buddy Lewis in 2009, this southern estate spans nearly 12,000 square feet. From the white brick exterior to the towering columns, it was designed to feel like it had always been here, nestled into the hills of Oak Hill, hidden from the street and surrounded by gardens. The approach sets the tone. A long magnolia-lined driveway winds through the trees before the home slowly reveals itself, gracious and quiet like it's been waiting for you. With its white brick facade and timeless symmetry, it feels like part European country house, part Southern retreat. The grounds are lush and private with blooming redbuds, soft dogwoods, a weeping willow, and white wisteria curling along a trellis. It's expansive but never showy, peaceful, tucked in, and exactly where it's meant to be. Step through the wide wooden glass door and the feeling is immediate, gracious, layered, and welcoming. The formal living room is dressed in jewel-toned furnishings and soft, billowing drapes, all anchored by a marble fireplace. It's refined without ever feeling untouchable. Just beyond, a wide millwork-framed opening leads to the formal dining room, where a statement chandelier sparkles and large windows frame the garden views. The space feels made for long candlelit dinners, is wide enough for a table that seats 10 and still leaves room to move. Just past the formal spaces, the home opens up, comfortable, casual, and quietly confident. The kitchen, breakfast area, and family room all flow together in one large, easygoing space. A brick fireplace framed in floor-to-ceiling walnut millwork adds warmth and weight, while a built-in wet bar with a beverage fridge tucks neatly into the corner. Always ready, but never in the way. It's the kind of room that doesn't need a big moment to feel important. It just works. The kitchen has that quiet ease that never goes out of style. Creamy cabinetry, bar seating for 5, and a full suite of top-tier appliances, including a Sub-Zero refrigerator, expansive gas range, and double ovens. Everything is just where it should be, with just enough space to move easily, linger longer, or welcome extra hands. And stretching across the back wall, 5 sets of French doors invite the outdoors in, opening wide to the pool, gardens, and outdoor dining areas. The primary suite continues the story, soft, southern, and romantic. Large wood-paned windows dressed in cream linen curtains frame views of blooming dogwoods just outside. There's a stone fireplace for cozy evenings and French doors that open to the back garden. The bath is creamy and quiet with a soaking tub that invites slow mornings. Upstairs, 4 large ensuite bedrooms surround a central living space with its own fireplace, perfect for movie nights, game day gatherings, or slow mornings with coffee in hand. Each bedroom is generously sized, offering guests their own sense of retreat with private baths and views that peek out over the treetops and gardens. The layout gives every guest their own corner of calm, making it easy to gather together or spread out. And up on the 3rd floor, a tucked-away suite offers even more privacy. Whether it's a space for a live-in nanny, visiting in-laws, or an independent teen, it feels like its own quiet world, just far enough removed from the rhythm of the rest of the home. Out back, the southern story continues. Manicured lawns, an inviting pool, outdoor dining and kitchen, and a stone fireplace create the kind of outdoor living that turns moments into memories. And just beyond, nestled beneath the trees, is a charming guest cottage, perfectly private and ready for whatever life brings. Every inch of this home was built to welcome. It feels like tradition, but never tired. It feels elegant, but never cold. It's the kind of place people return to for holidays, for celebrations, and for quiet weekends that turn into lifelong memories. A big thank you to Mona Wilson with RE/MAX Homes and Estates for letting us share this incredible home with you. If you love seeing homes like this, make sure you're subscribed because there's always another picture-perfect home right around the corner.